Hello everyone, welcome back to BlacX Studio. We are back again with a very interesting topic that says about the German artist who refuses award after his AI image win prestigious photography prize. So let's go and talk about it. There is a controversy in a photography world as an AI generated image won a major prize as a prestigious competition. A piece called The Electrician by Boris L. took the first prize in a creative category at a World Photography Organization Sony World Photography Award, despite not being taken by the camera. He subsequently refuses the award, saying AI is not photography. I applied to find out if the competition are prepared for AI images to enter, and I guess they are not. The image is a part of a series called pseudomnesia, that means fake memories. It is designed to invoke a photographic style of 1940s. However, they are in a reality, fake memory of a past that never existed, that no one photographed. These images were imagined by language and re-edited more between 20 to 40 times through AI image generator, combining in-painting, out-painting and prompt whispering technique. In a vlog, he explained that he used his experience as a photographer to create the prize-winning image, acting as a director of a process with the AI generator as co-creator. Although the work is inspired by photography, he said that the point of submission is not that it is a photography. Participation is an open call, and I want to speed up the process of award organizers to become aware of this difference and create separate competition for AI generated images. He subsequently declined the prize and said, "Thank you for selecting my image and making this a historical moment, as it is the first AI generated image to win the prestigious international photography competition." And later he added, AI image and photography should not compete with each other in an award like this. They are different entities and AI is not a photography. Therefore, I cannot accept the award. Shortly after that, the photo was stripped from the show and the competition website, and organizers have yet to comment on the matter. Dixon actually travelled to London to attend the ceremony and even got on the stage to read the statement in the person, though he was not invited. It's not clear if the organizers knew the work was AI generated or not. In any case, rather than sinking from the situation, they should be embracing it. AI generated art has entered the culture in a huge way over the past few years, with AI winning both photo and art competition over the past few months. His piece of art is bound to create controversy about how to handle it, particularly when it encroaches into the traditional medium. Well, that's it for today. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for such interesting news. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye bye.